Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm cooking pepper snail and I'll show you how I washed the snail as well. I do hope you like the video and stay tuned. See what happened guys, see? Wasn't strong enough. It's all good. I just hope I don't come and sit at this stage. So now I'm just going to wash the snails. I already removed the shells, so I'm using lemon to wash them. Lemon is actually very good, and you can also use alum. I kind of prefer lemon, but while growing up I'm pretty sure my mom used alum. So anyway guys, whichever you prefer, as long as the snail is actually very clean, and it's actually helps to remove the slime from the snail. So I don't think anyone wants to be eating slimy snail, so doing it this way actually makes it cleaner. I'm just gonna cut the snail in the middle and also rinse it one more times because I have to wash the middle as well. So you don't just need to wash the outside, you still also have to wash the inside of the snail. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So I'll cut the snail in the middle and use the lemon to clean the inside of it and then rinse it for the last time. So yeah, this is how I do wash snail before eating them. But we don't usually have snail with shells in it in Dublin. I was very lucky to see this in the store. It's because my mom usually just fry them and post them to me in Dublin. So but this time I found this in the store and I was very lucky, like I said. So yeah, this is how I wash my snail, and I do hope you like the process. And if you have any recommendations, like I always say in my videos, please let me know. So now I'm just going to start cooking the sauce. I'm using Knorr maggi, salt, jumbo seasoning. I have bell pepper, onion, scotch bonnet, spring onion, and then the snail. And also I'm going to be using parsley and herbs. So now I'm going to start boiling the snail. So I'm going to boil the snail for about 15 minutes before I start making the sauce. So that way the snail can be softer and easy to actually eat. This was actually 2 days after I washed the snail that I'm making the sauce. It wasn't the same day. So I'm gonna add some salt to boil the snail, and that's what I'm adding. But obviously I had the seasoning while I'm making the sauce. I'm going to blend the pepper, which is the bell pepper now, the scotch bonnet, the onion and the spring onion together, so I can boil them for maybe about 15 minutes before I fry the tomatoes. Is it tomato? The peppers, because I don't have any tomatoes, so I'm not using tomato for this. So I'll blend them now, boil them, and we can start frying the sauce. I had a little bit of vegetable oil before I added the onion. You can see my onion was actually burning, so I'm just going to quickly add the minced pepper. I was carried away and forgot I was cooking, so that's why the onion got burned. I'm going to let this cook for about 10 minutes before I proceed to add my seasoning. So now I'm just going to add the seasoning. I'm adding the parsley, and then I'll add the minced herb. Also Knorr maggi, so I'm only using 2 cubes because I'm not making a lot of food, so I'm adding some salt. And then little of the jumbo seasoning. So I'm going to stir them together and then let them cook for maybe a few minutes before I add the snail. Well, anyway, so I'm going to add the snail into the sauce now, and then we're actually pretty much done once I add the snail, because I'm just going to let that cook together for maybe 10 minutes. Then we should be done. It doesn't take that long, so it's not like a regular stew that we make, and this is very quick because it's only pepper sauce I'm making. So guys, the pepper snail is ready. See how good it looks. I do hope you like the video, and please, if you have any recommendations, comments, don't forget to leave them. Like, share and subscribe guys. Thank you. I'm having this with rice, avocado and the pepper snail. It was very delicious guys. Thank you for watching and have a beautiful day ahead. Bye.